會等錢，有可能背水見識。歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅。請根據專輯上面唔同嘅標誌，選擇你想聽嘅導遊語言。祝大家咁。
And then let's look at the right hand side of the stair. You'll find everything from that. It is aiming on us. So please remain your hands, arms, and elbow inside the box, okay? And then let's look at the right.
People on the door. Bye bye, bye bye. You waving, we never come back, never see them again. Bye bye. Oh, welcome to the real famous jungle interface. I'm the skipper for your next 5, 6, and 10 nights. I'm Sherry. Hello. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Before we start our adventure, something important to remind you. Please keep your hands, arms, legs, feet inside the boat. Remain seated. This is a water wine, so please take care of your electronic device and watch further. And don't put them into the water because I don't know how to swim. Yes, if you jump into the water, I cannot help you. And now these are the things you may get rid of. Are you ready to get rid? Yes, of course. The elephants are waiting for you. Let's take a shower together with the elephants. Oh, have you ever been there? Yes, it's Harrison Treehouse High Sands home. If you want to go there, you should take the raft. Bye bye. Don't swim because there are many crocodiles under the water. Bye bye, the treehouse friends. Bye bye. All the hands are forward. Bye bye. And now in the entrance of the jungle, you can see the mother's elephant and baby elephants are welcoming us. It looks like the mother teaching her baby how to use his charm. But don't use on us. It's just a baby. How about the right hand side? Oh, I can see a brother elephant. He's taking a shower. But I think he's underwater too long, see those wrinkles. If you don't want to get wrinkles, please don't fall. How about the I can see the elephant. Big one. Hello, Daddy Elephant, how you doing? No, don't do that, don't do that. Oh no! I don't want to get red actually. Okay, calm down. See, you were so calm down. Oh, thank you. You're so nice. Thank you, Daddy. Here, let us go. Oh, but he's coming up again! Don't worry. I'll stand up. It's fine, alright. Naughty Daddy, don't do that again. Oh yeah. I have a bad news. Can you see the spider? The most biggest and poisonous spider in the world. They can jump over 200 feet. But I think we're so close to them, only around 10 feet away yet. I hope if they jump, they will jump over us. Up ahead is the ancient temple for the elephant in Asia. Those can cobras are his protector. The poisonous can cobras not to bite us without any defense. Oh, you see these ones are so close. Please don't look at us, you are not very tasty actually. Please let us go. Jump into my boat, please. Okay, and now we're in the chill out jungle. Remember again, please remain seated and keep your hand inside the boat because we're entering the crocodile's pool. The crocodiles over there, yes, then next to us. I think they're waiting for our handout. Actually, I know I'm very tasty, but you're juicy, so be careful of yourself. We call them crocodiles, and the crocodiles call us lunch, dinner. No, I don't want to be your meal today. This flavor. On the head. It's Professor Potter's campsite, but why so many gorillas at his house? I think Professor Potter will get to love his store this morning. The gorillas have a party, they have the guns, and the rest of the guns, they have the guns to carry. Don't shoot us, we don't have bananas, no bananas in my boat. If you're wearing anything in yellow, please don't use downstairs bananas. Wow, these African cows, you can see so many kinds of animals. The zebras, the giraffe are having lunch, and the African elephant. The elephant is the second fearless animal in this jungle. Do you know who is the most fearless animal in the jungle? Not me. No. Let's try again. The most fearless animal in the jungle is his mother-in-law. I can see something in the water. The hippos, and the hippos. Hello, hippos. Are you there? No. You see the big mama baby? Another hippos over there. There's 6,000 pounds. Very dangerous. And all in the jungle. Don't bite my boat. Why? I just told them never argue with the rhinos because the rhinos will get their point across in the end. Good to you guys. Bye bye. I can help you. I'll see you next time. Shh, quiet. We're entering the headhunters territory. Keep quiet. See those girls? They remind my friend yesterday, but now they stay here forever. My friend became the scouts and it's all married me. The Jonathan, my friends over there. Shh, quiet. They still at home. But they did it, so shh, I don't want to be. Your head still here, everyone. Your head. Oh, that's great. And people at the back, are you alright? Alright, that's really good news for me. And now I'm happy to report this you are going back to the job now. Put this way to running. It's time to go back to civilization now. I mean, nothing can stop us again. We're out of danger. Let's go, Hongkong. Wow! Hold on, everyone. Hold on. Oh, no, what's happening? I can't believe it. I've never been here. Here's the canyon of the god, protected by the god of fire and the god of water. We should not be here. They brought our way, turn around, try back, we need to leave now. They brought our exit. No exit now. What should we do? I need to find God is angry. Don't be angry, sorry if I got like this. It's just get lost. No, No, that's great. Congratulations. I think we're still alive. I can see baby elephant. So you still remember him? Baby elephant. I think he's been bird. I say goodbye to baby elephant. Bye bye. Bye bye, baby elephant. We are fine. Bye bye.